students, today we will study the basic proportionality theorem, or you may say Thales theorem. Okay, let us see what is Thales theorem. Here basic theorem. This is also called Thales theorem. This is basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Okay. In this theorem, what is its statements? Here, suppose that there is a triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle in which there is a line L which is parallel to BC. It is given a statement, a line L is parallel to BC, intersect AB at D and AC at E. Then, according to this theorem, AD upon DB equal AP upon BC. This is the Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. In this theorem, what is the statement? If in a triangle ABC, a line L which is parallel to a side of a triangle intersect other two sides in a same ratio. It is AD upon DB, AD upon DB equal to AB upon BC. So this is to prove here. Okay. So come to prove. What is prove here? Here is in this diagram. In this diagram, you can see there is two triangle. One is ADE. This one is the first triangle AD and E. So let us see this is the triangle ADE. And the second triangle is AB and C. There are two triangles from this diagram. One is ABE and the second one is triangle is ABC. In these two triangles, you can see this angle ABE is equal to angle ABC because of corresponding angle. As you know from parallel axioms, if there are two parallel lines and one transversal line intersect, then the corresponding angles are equal. So here there is two parallel line and there is one transversal line, so the corresponding angles are equal. Means angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. So similarly, here is the angle AED, angle AED and angle ACD. These are the also corresponding angles because this line is parallel to this one and this is transversal line. So the corresponding these two angles will be equal. Means AED equal angle ACD. In these two triangles, here the two corresponding angles are equal. So these are the similar because of asimilarity condition. Since here you can see angle D equal angle B and angle E equal angle C, then you may write by asimilarity. What you can say? By asimilarity, by asimilarity, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. These two triangles are similar, and if these two triangles are similar, then definitely the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. Then it implies AD upon AB equal AD upon AB equal AD upon AC. AD upon AC equal BE upon BC, because these two triangles are parallel. Similar. Okay. Now take these two triangles. Now take these two triangles. These two ratios. AD upon AB equal AE upon AC, and this can also be written as, just reverse these two ratio, and can be written as AB upon AD equal AC upon AE. You may write this one as a also. Now here you can see AB is what? AB can be written as AD plus BD, and AC can be written as AE plus AC. So by using this relation AB upon AD, what we can write here? See. So here we can write AB upon AD equal AC upon AE. AB can be written as AD plus BB. This is AD plus BB upon AD, and AC can be written as AE plus EC upon AE. Now if you will divide AD to AD, you will get 1, and plus BB upon AD. So separately each term will be divided here. So just come to divide the separate term. If you will divide, so we'll get 1 plus BB upon AD equal 1 plus EC upon AE. Here 1 and 1 on both the side cancel out. Can see here 1 and 1 cancel out. Then this will become DB upon AD equal EC upon AE. DB upon AD, EC upon AE can be written as, just by reversing, AD upon BB equal AE upon EC, and this was to prove AD upon DB equal AE upon EC. This is the basic proportionality theorem, or you may say BPT also, or Thay's theorem. This is very important theorem in similarity. So I hope कि everyone is have to remember this theorem. ठीक है? Then come to the converse of this theorem.